Hey, we're seeing further weakness in natural gas as it's starting to point, I should say, start looking more and more like it's going to try to test lower price levels. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. And as I zoom in here, you could see how today we have a down day. It's testing, it actually broke a little bit below yesterday's low. Let me just open this up a little bit. And we're now at risk of breaking through this B point right here, this previous swing low at 164 and triggering a continuation of a developing A, B, C, D pattern on the lower time frame. And if you've been following me for any period of time, uh, I usually look at the 100% extension and higher. And today I'm not going to do that. I'm looking at the 61.8% and the 78.6%. So this is basically saying that the CD leg has the potential to go 61.8% of the AB leg, and the next level has is going to go 78.6% of the AB level. What is interesting is that down here at the 1.49 level, 1.48, 1.49, there's a match with the long-term Fibonacci, not that long-term, but a little bit long-term, Fibonacci extension of this rally. So the rally we saw for most of last year, that retracement, 100% retracement is down here. 127.2% retracement is down here. And that matches the target from that small ABCD pattern. So we have two Fibonacci's, including a long-term Fibonacci, lining up at that level. That gives it a little more significance and potential for being reached. What is interesting is if it is reached, it could set up an undercut and run setup where we have stops triggered on a new trend low, but it doesn't go too far and it has a quick recovery back above that trend low, setting up a continuation to the upside after having shaken out people who are weaker holders and are not going to hold it much lower. They get stopped out at that point. I'm not saying that's going to happen. I think it could happen, though. We'll have to see what happens next. The first level to watch is this last week's low of 1.64. If that is broken to the downside, next target 1.55. In addition, there is a weekly level right here at 1.59. So that's another level. But if we do go lower, then we'll probably break that weekly level as well. Now, this is not projecting that it's going to go to that low, just that it could. So we got to watch and see how things play out and what kind of follow through we see at all time frames. One other interesting thing to point out is you could see how resistance was being seen at the purple 20 period moving average. And now, as of today, the last 2 days, it's being seen at the shorter time frame 8 period. That is a sign of weakening within this consolidation zone. That is it for natural gas traders. Have a great weekend. And if you get some value out of these videos, please like and subscribe.